Welcome to color lesson number 8, closet magic. So we have gone through the whole process of defining and uncovering and discovering your color time palette. So I want to leave you with a few tips on how do you start integrating this into your personal wardrobe. And I am calling it closet magic. So the first question is what colors will you choose inside your color time to start building your wardrobe? There is no right or wrong answer. You can start with your signature colors. You could start expanding your wardrobe with colors that you already have in your wardrobe. So think about that next step. What are those colors? Maybe now that you've discovered your color time, you're thinking, oh my gosh, I would love to add tiger lily. I would love to add a verdant green, whatever that is for you. I want you to have fun with it. Start expressing yourself and using it as influence as you move forward. So we talked about a little bit about how you combine and start pulling in crossover colors and your personal color time. But I wanted to give you a really kind of simplified version on how you can begin building your capsule wardrobe with your crossover colors and your personal color time. So as you can see here in step 1, I mentioned this earlier, one of my signature colors is black. And so I just really showing you how simple this can start the process is I have a black skirt, I have a black pant, and this isn't just one black pant. These are pants that are in different levels of dress. So what I mean by that, for example, my casual dress, my sporty dress, my business dress, my fashion forward that I want to bring, that I want to feel a little bit more stylish. And I start building my wardrobe with some of those basic pieces. As you can see in this picture, I have literally built this wardrobe. You can see on my rack, I literally have 3 colors. So I have black, there's a little bit of white sprinkled in there, and then I have my bright rose. And literally all these pieces, I think there's 10 to 12 pieces on the rack. Every piece mixes and matches, but it starts by beginning with a strategy. And that strategy is what colors are you going to start incorporating into your color capsule. So then step 2, I start bringing in my bright rose, which is in my color time. And as you can see, I have it in a jacket. This happens to be a very lightweight spring jacket. You can see in step 3, I have it in scarves. I have a little shell that's hanging on the rack there that I've brought that in. I've brought it in through my shoes. So there is a variety of ways on how you can start bringing in that color. My mannequin behind me, that's one of the scarves that are on the rack that I can bring in to my wardrobe color capsule. Here it is. So when you go out shopping, you have a plan of action. And it's not just random shopping. It's not just random. The salesperson tells you, oh my gosh, that color looks great on you. But you really go shopping with intention. It's about building your wardrobe with intention. You know that these colors are flattering. You know that these colors are mirroring your inherent coloring. You know these colors are perfect for you. So to end our session, you know, whether you are the sunrise, the sunlight, or the sunset, I am wishing you, as you go into your closet every morning, to have that more alive with color on how you bring that into your day, how you bring that into your wardrobe, because when you do, when you bring it into your wardrobe, you bring it into your mindset, guess what? That's how others see you out in the world. So I do have one bonus section, and that will be in another video. You may have watched this series and said, Annette, wow, this was amazing. I now know my color time. I can now go to my closet with ease. I can go shopping with ease. I can start mixing and matching because you have identified your color time. You may be watching thinking, wow, okay, Annette, I would love to take the next step and really have you come by my side and help me to really implement this in your wardrobe. I will be sharing that on the bonus section on the next video. But until then, with your definitive style in mind, go out and just be alive with your new colors.